Hey guys, so today me and Fabian are going to be getting ready for a wedding. It's his uncle's wedding, and yeah, I'm going to try and make this like a Vogue beauty style video. This is the Laura Mercier concealer. Dampen this beauty blender and pat it in. Are you done?
Me? Yeah.
See, all you have to do is shave. I have to I don't have to put makeup on, but
I don't have to shave.
to look like very put together.
Just had a bit of Star Wars, you can tell. Just used this razor by wheel. Shaving with a razor makes me break out, which I don't want to do for the winter. What are you going to do? The moustache going in or out?
What do you mean?
So like you can get it in further in.
Yeah?
Like I'm going like and then out. See the difference?
Oh no, definitely the first one that you did.
I think out. So
If you want to do it out, go for it.
it's
But...
not right.
Oh, can I do your eyebrows? Can I do your eyebrows? Come on.
What do you mean?
Like,
Dark?
no, can I just like shape it up a bit?
Do you have a razor?
No, but I'm saying
What do you
with
use?
concealer.
I don't want to use makeup.
Can you see?
It's quite clean.
Yeah, you look really clean. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go. Fab, can I borrow your phone a minute, please? I think I'm gonna go very natural today. I'm gonna type out wedding glam. The thing is, this is gonna be like bride glam, and I'm not trying to do that. Glam. You see this glamorous lifestyle. Okay, I could do that. Yeah, I think I'll do that actually. I'm trying to not wear powder anymore. I'm wearing like powder blush because I didn't bring a different blush. I don't really I feel like powder just makes me look so dull. So I haven't even brought a brush, so I'm just gonna pat that in. Oh, them, I cannot believe that that's the first time I've tried them. Tatoes? You know they've got like a whole Tato world in Ireland? Oh, I didn't mention we're in Ireland. Why did I mention that? We're in Ireland. Should have brought a brush. No, it's in like a makeup brush, Fab. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I'm gonna do burnt orange just there. Using tempera with my beauty blender. God, oh, that's a lot. And I'm actually just gonna beauty blend that out a little bit. Not too bad. Question, Fab. Do I do freckles?
Yeah.
Like, do you think I should, or? I'm not finished, but...
Yeah, how long you been on many stuff?
You take a wee. Or a shit.
That's man.
Right, cool. Oh, I'm gonna put a bit of lipstick on my cheeks. This is from Beauty Bay. It's called Pinch. No.
It's my birthday.
Oh, do you want to go now? Just.
No,
It's cool. I'll wait 2 minutes. Is it long shit or?
I just need to take a bit.
Okay, now I'm doing eyebrows. This is the Benefit. I'm gonna use this. This is the Glossier Brow Flick in black because my eyebrows don't match my hair for some reason. They're just so light. Fabian's little thing that he uses to shave his beard. Wow, very nice. Guys, if you ever need something to do your freckles with, use one of these. Oh my god, so much better than how they usually look.
Oh, I'm finally connected.
Your beard?
Like, look. Are you done? Are you done?
No, like this.
Only 2 strands. No.
Yeah, that's quite nice. Thank you for watching. I don't know if I like this hair. Oh no, I didn't like that.
I think it's good.
We'll see in it. Come closer to the thing. Do you feel ready? Oh wait, let me just do one thing before we go. A little bit of gel. Yeah? Yeah? Do I have permission?
Gel.
Just for your eyebrows. Yeah? Okay. It's the last step. Bye! You didn't get it? Okay.
Well,
Bye guys! I was like that.
see you.
No.